Namaskar, welcome everyone to Yoga with Heena Vaze and I'm your instructor Neha. Welcome to day 9 of our 30 days 10 minutes yoga series. We are practicing a variety of asanas, a variety of exercise in this series. So if you are new, don't forget to watch the previous videos and practice with that as well. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy it and love it. Now, my humble request to you all, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you get the notification every time I post a new video. Don't forget to share these videos or with your friends and family so that we all can enjoy and we all can be better into our health space. So now please place your mat and sit firmly on it. You can sit in Siddhasana, Sukhasana as you feel comfortable. Please place both your hands on the thighs in Jnana Mudra. Back gently straight, eyes closed. Inhale and exhale, calm down. Leave everything aside. And these 10 minutes are only for you. Settle down into the space. Let's begin by chanting Omkar 3 times. Breathe in. Om. Breathe in. Om. Breathe in. Om. Drop your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes in your hands. Rub your palms on your face. Relax. Welcome back to the session and we will begin with our practice. Now take both your hands at the center like this. Okay? Now we have to drop both our knees down. Okay, like this and stand. Stretch a little, open your chest. Again, down, turn your knees and up and stretch. Down, turn, up, down, turn, up. Don't forget to open your chest. Keep breathing. Also, you need to enjoy the practice. Okay? A gentle smile, focusing on the breath, connecting with yourself. All these things will help you build a better practice and a better habit. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Take a breath. Inhale and exhale, calm down. Once you feel better, we will continue. Now we'll sit in Malasana on both your legs in Malasana. Once you're settled into the pose, just interlock your fingers like this. And we are going for complete squattings. Lift up and down. Up and down. 3, 4, stand completely, no cheating. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Sit down. Sit comfortably. Take a breath again. Relax a bit, but not completely, okay? Let's go. We have a little more practice to go. Now, straighten your legs at center. Keep your back gently straight. Now, inhale, both the hands up, stretch up. Exhale, down. Try to touch your toes and bend down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Up, down. Up, down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up, hands down. Relax. Relax. Take a breath here. Inhale and exhale. Calm down. Now from here, we will continue with the reverse tabletop. Hold both your legs like this. Keep shoulder level distance. Both the hands behind your back. Now my fingers are pointing inwards towards my hips. Okay, if this is difficult for you, point them outwards, sideways. Okay, let's not do this. Okay, this is not recommended. We can place it either outwards or inwards. Once you're ready, pressure on your palms and feet and lift your middle body up and stretch. Stretch your back properly. Let's hold here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly and gently come down and relax. Now sit comfortably. Take a breath. Inhale and exhale. Calm down. And now gently place your one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly. Inhale and exhale silently, observing your breath. Observe the rise and fall of your chest. Your body is silently moving towards relaxing. Relax and now join your hands. Let's chant one Omkar with 3 Shantis. Breathe in. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes and your hands. Rub your palms on your face, on your body. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you are enjoying these sessions. Please don't forget to click on the like button if you like the video. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.